how's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and welcome to another episode of SpeedTech SpotLight. In this episode, I wanted to go over some of our TIR and multicolor color options. So for example here, I'm using our K-Force Micro 14. So for example here, I brought our amber unit. Now this is a single all solid color amber unit here. And then in the middle, I brought a red-blue unit, and this is half red and half blue in a half-half color setup. And then here I brought a green-clear alternating unit in an alternating style flash pattern. So you'll see the difference there between our alternating, our half-half, and our solid color options. And we do have amber, red, blue, green, and clear color options for any application. And we also have our Customize a Light Bar tool if you do need a custom color setup for your vehicle. Now these are our new dual memory products. So on each of these products, and I'm using our optional SIG plug here, you have two power modes with two flash pattern memories. So I'm in power mode 1 here, and then if I flip over to my other power mode, you'll see I have another flash pattern programmed. And that's the same concept for my red-blue unit here in a half-half color pattern. I can easily switch over to my other power mode, and you'll see that I have an alternating style flash pattern there as well with the half-half color setup. And then finally on our green clear unit here, I actually have a half-half style pattern on the alternating color setup. So you'll see that we have plenty of options there for you with our TIR series. Now let's go over some of our multicolor linear models. So for example here, I brought our amber clear unit in our K-Force Micro 14 linear multicolor, and you'll notice your unit will flash back and forth between its primary and secondary color. And then in the middle here, I brought a red-blue color example, and again you'll notice that it flashes back and forth between its primary and secondary color in that half-half style flash pattern there. And then over here, I brought our blue amber unit. And again, you'll notice your unit is flashing back and forth between blue and amber. But we do offer amber, red, blue, green, and clear multicolor options. And again, we do have our Customize a Light Bar tool if you do need a custom color setup for your vehicle. And then another really cool feature with our multicolor paired with the dual memory, and again I'm using my optional dual memory SIG plug here, and this is power mode 1. Now I can program a single color flash pattern if I would like to, so I can easily swap over to my other power mode, and then you'll notice my unit is flashing in blue. Or I could cycle to the red flash pattern and program that there on a power mode. So you have that flexibility with the multicolor and the dual flash pattern memory. And again, this was the K-Force Micro 14 for example, but the same concept will go along with all of our TIR versus our multicolor linear products. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.